Sarah lost her remote marketing job last month. Not due to budget cuts, but an AI agent costing $49 a month. Meanwhile, David, a remote developer, received a 30% raise by learning to work with AI agents. The competition isn't between remote work and office jobs anymore. It's between those who adapt to AI and those who don't. I analyzed which remote jobs are at risk and how 50,000 remote workers are responding to the AI threat. I surveyed 50,000 remote workers across 12 countries about AI's impact. The results will change how you think about remote work. 47% of remote workers say AI tools have changed their daily tasks. Yet, only 23% feel their jobs are threatened, while 24% believe AI made them more valuable. I analyzed 200 different remote job types, categorizing them into AI vulnerable, AI enhanced, and AI immune. This pattern isn't what most expect. Remote customer service reps and data entry specialists face a 34% annual replacement rate by AI agents. However, remote software architects and creative directors see a 67% demand increase as companies need humans directing AI systems. Let's pinpoint which remote jobs AI targets first and why geography matters. High-risk remote jobs share 3 traits. They're task-based, follow predictable patterns, and don't require cultural context. For instance, virtual assistants managing calendars are being replaced by AI like Motion and Calendly. AI speed and cost efficiency are game changers. Content writers producing SEO articles struggle against AI, which generates 50 articles quickly, but they still need human editors for quality. Remote bookkeepers see similar trends. AI agents handle thousands of transactions with impressive accuracy, taking much less time. Surprisingly, predefined, safe jobs are at risk too. AI agents filter resumes for remote recruiters and manage basic tasks for social media managers. Now for the good news. Some remote workers are thriving with AI. Remote sales professionals using AI for research are closing 73% more deals. AI agents provide insights, enhancing effectiveness in outreach. Maria, a top-performing sales rep, treats AI as her assistant, not a replacement. Remote consultants command higher fees with AI managing their research. They focus on insights, not data analysis. Remote project managers utilize AI to manage multiple projects, allowing humans to excel in relationship management. Here's the uncomfortable truth about remote work and AI. AI competes not just with local salaries but global remote work rates. A US-based graphic designer might charge $75 per hour, while a skilled designer in Eastern Europe may charge $25 per hour. AI agents cost significantly less. Companies first opted for expensive local workers, then moved to cheaper international ones, and now implement AI. However, those who act as AI supervisors find increased value. The winning formula is human workers plus AI agents equals job security. I studied 200 remote workers who adapted to AI competition, and their strategies align closely. Strategy 1. Become an AI multiplier. Use AI to boost productivity in your work without competing against it. Strategy 2. Move up the value chain, focusing on strategy and creativity that AI can't replicate. Strategy 3. Specialize in AI-resistant skills like crisis management and innovative problem-solving. Strategy 4. Bilingual collaboration. Work fluently in human communication and AI prompt engineering. I analyzed 10,000 remote job postings from the last year and found a 340% increase in demand for AI-experienced workers. Companies want humans who collaborate with AI, not those who ignore it. In-demand positions require AI tool familiarity and quality checking skills. Companies are also paying more for roles that provide human authenticity, benefiting those in creative and relationship management. The message is clear. Remote workers embracing AI as a tool while emphasizing human skills are winning. Those fearing AI quickly lose ground. The future of remote work isn't a battle between humans and AI. Rather, it's collaboration. Your job security depends on learning to direct and improve AI systems. Are you adapting to AI's impact in your industry? Share your experiences in the comments. For more analyses on AI's role in work, subscribe for weekly insights.